Hey everyone, welcome to Academy of Mind. Today I'm going to show you how to make your LMS platform private. So your LMS by default will have a front-facing landing page like this, where anybody who finds you on Google or with a URL can publicly navigate to and take a look around. Making your LMS private is helpful for organizations that want to restrict access to all content, including the front-end pages, to members only who are logged in. It's important to understand that your LMS platform and the courses within it will always be reserved for members, whether your LMS is private or not. So let's get started. In the admin dashboard, go to Settings, General, click Private Site, and then Save. Now that I've saved that, let's try to go back to the course catalog, which was one of the front-end pages I showed you at the beginning of this video. As you can see, I have to log in. Once you log in with your member email and password, you're automatically taken into the LMS student dashboard. But if you click over here, you can go back to the front end and access the course catalog or any other front-facing pages. Thanks for watching, everyone.